I better just plug in my laptop so I don't lose everything. Right, first one is nice and easy. We want the inverse of the matrix 4 minus 7, 2 minus 3 inverse. So this will be 1 over minus 12 minus 14 minus 3, 4, 7 minus 2. Did I write that down right? Yeah. So that's minus 12 and then minus 14. So that is 1 over 2 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 4. That's the first part done. And then the second part is they want you to use your answer from the first part to help you solve this system. So in other words, use the matrix method to solve it. So the matrix method equals 4 minus 7, 2 minus 3 inverse times 1, 3. But we already have the inverse calculated from part 1. It's the exact same, yeah. So it's 1 over 2 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 4 times 1, 3. So this is 1 over 2 minus 3 plus 21 is 18. And then minus 2 plus 8 is 6. So the answer is 9 and 3. Yeah.
And the example, they give it to me, so I calculate it together, it's okay, they're going to take from the previous question.
Hard to tell. Past history would suggest it's the same matrix, but there's no reason for it to be. I would think if you got something like this in the exam, it would probably look the same. The previous part would be used in the second part. But that's not a guarantee. Just has been like that. I mean, if it wasn't, then you have to calculate the inverse again. That's all. So really, it's 7 marks for using the matrix method to solve a degree 2 system. That's really what happened here in part 1 and part 2. Let's have a look at part B. So part B, population equals A e to the or t. They tell you at the beginning the population was 20,000, and then they tell you 8 years later the population is 25,000. Find the A and the OR. So if I put this one in, I can get the A because that's 20,000 equals A e to the 0 OR. E to the power of 0 is 1, so then what's the A? 20,000. So now I have P equals 20,000 e to the OR t. How can I find the OR? Well, now I put this one in. Whoops, wrong turn. So I get 25,000 equals 20,000 e to the 8 OR. Divide both sides by 20,000. I get 1.25 equals e to the 8 OR. How can I cancel an e? Log both sides, the e's cancel. How do I cancel the 8? 8 OR, how do I cancel the 8? I divide both sides by 8. So I get OR equals log 1.25 over 8. So now I have OR equals 0.02789. So now I have population equals 20,000 e to the power of 0.02789t. Part 1 is finished. Part 2, what is the population in 2012? So 2012 is how many years away from the beginning of 2000? 12 years. So I literally just put t as 12. 20,000 e to the power of 0.02789 times 12. And I get 27950. as the population in 2012.